up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making fairy blend. So let's make it. We need a knife for this. We're making this. Let me count on this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to do 4 ones. Guys, this is blend and this is butter and this is sprinkles. And now I need to cut it. To cut the corners yet. So I'm not putting my finger there to cut it. So I'm putting my finger here. Down. I'm putting it gently there. Oh, a little bit. And a little bit. Oh, I need to do it from here now. That's why it's not going, I think. Put it there. Oh, cut this up. Yay! It is done. One more. It is. Oh no, this one like this. There we go. Uh-oh. Now I need to cut this shape. Let me cut it off. But very far away. Oh. Yay! Need the butter now. Now we are putting the batter. So let's put it. I need to spread it out a little bit. I need some of these. Just the case. Now we are putting the batter on. Guys, 1 second. Oh, there we go. And some more. Oh, there we go. Oopsie. I think it's not really need some more. That one is done. My mom will fix that. Don't worry. Oh. Oh, right to the basket more. Way to the basket more. You just play every day. The butter everywhere. Oh, there you are. Come back here, little boy. No. Let me see if there's more there. There's a small one here. And Guys, now I'm spreading the bread's corners. Here. Come down. That's good. Now time for this one. Actually, oh. Guys, and now I'm putting the sprinkles. A little bit there. There. Go there. Oh, what? I think. And some. You could also try this at home. So I'll tell you guys right now. So first, I just put it there, and then I'll just spread out it. You could ask your mom for help if you don't know how to do it. Let me hold it everywhere. Now this one is done, guys. No, not yet. This one is done now. Now we can do the other one. It will be tasty. Go ready to eat it. I just spread it out. It's soft. Otherwise it will make it hard. If I just do that, that'll make a really big soul. So really, come down. Oh, that's okay. This one is done now. Now the other ones. Oh no, what is that? There's a hair, some kind of. Oh, that is. I like when I do that. I like when I do this, because I feel like sprinkles. You know what Mario say? He say, "Mamma mia." Baby, oh, some more little bit, and now no, not that. Now it's done. This will be the best one I ever ate. I'm spreading them out because there's no more left. Now I'm putting some. Okay. Do this a little bit. That's it. I'll do this after. Okay. Yay. Yo-ho. Formula. Oh, wow. I'm gonna go to. I didn't want to get from there. Stop. It's sensitive. Calm down. It's gonna be hard for me. Cover it. So, which one's right? Oh, this one. This one will be good. Please. It tastes good a lot. Bye guys, I hope you like this video. Bye. Bye guys. Like and subscribe.